Good morning. So last class we started understanding what is a Django. Django is a Python based web framework. Today we are going to see how to install Django software, how to install Visual Studio Code, and how to run Django project. Today's agenda: how to install our Django project, how to install Visual Studio Code, and how to run Django project. Okay, everything we are going to see practically. First, to install Django software, you must have a Python software. I hope everyone has a Python software, right? Python software. In Python software only, we are going to install our Django. Okay. So how to install a Django software? We are going to see. Prerequisite of installing Django software. First, we need to install Python software. This is a Python software we installed. Okay. So after installing this Python software, now we are going for the command prompt. Command prompt. Okay. So this is called as a command prompt. So where my Python software installed, I installed the Python software in C drive. C drive. Python software I installed in C drive. The folder name is Python 310. You must know where your Python software is installed. Okay. So most of the students are installed the Python software in the different locations. So it may lead you confusion. If anyone use the Python software in different location, make sure that you must be used in C drive or D drive. It will be very easy to install different kinds of software. Okay, so that is the reason I installed the Python software in C drive itself. C drive, my folder name for Python is 310. Okay, I go there, cd dot dot. It is changing the directory. I'm coming to the C directory. cd. I'm going for Python. So 310 is the software. Okay. And in this software, we need to go to the script file. We need to go for the script file. In the script file, there is a pip is there. Pip. Okay. So you must ensure the where the pip.exe is there. Okay. To install the Django software, we need to go to where your Python software installed. Python software I installed in C drive. Python 310. In 310, there is a scripts folder is there. In the script folder, there is a pip is there. Pip is a executable file. By using the pip pip, we can install the Django software. We can install the Django software. So how to install the Django software? Let us see. Pip install Django. Okay. So when you give like this, it's going to install the Django software latest version. But if you want to give a older version, you can go and give a 3.2 or whatever you want. But right now I am installing latest Django version only. So how to install Django version? By using a pip application, and we need to give the space. Then we need to give the install. Then give the space and give the Django. So it's going to install the latest version of the Django. So how to install? By using a pip install Django. So this is a easy way to install by using the pip application. Give the space and give the install. Give the space and give Django. So when I give just Django, it's going to install latest Django software. But if you want to install older versions like 3 and 2 is there, and you need to give like this. Okay, equal to 3. If you want to give older version means you can give for 2.1 whatever. So but I don't want this older version. I want to give the new version. So just I'm going for pip install Java. Okay. Up to here is okay everyone. So I am going to enter now. Up to here everyone okay. Can you tell me in the chat box? Okay, I tell you why we need to use a Visual Studio Code instead of PyCharm also. Yeah. Any other questions? Okay, I'm continuing. So I'm installing Django software. So I got the requirement is already satisfied, and installing collected package for Django. So it's successfully installed. Successfully installed a Django. Latest version for the Django is 4.2. 4.2. Latest version for the Django is 4.2. Okay, so very simple. How to install Django by using a pip install Django. So latest version for the Django is Django 4.2. 4.2 is the latest version. Okay. Okay. Now Django is ready. The framework is ready. Now what is it I want to install? Very simple how to install Django software. Very simple by using a pip we can install the Django software. And latest version is 4.2. Okay. How to install Visual Studio Code? We are going to ask. But someone in your chat box asked me something. Satyanarayana asked why we need to use a Visual Studio Code. Why can't you go for PyCharm? PyCharm is for me. PyCharm also I have that software PyCharm. PyCharm is one of the ideally. PyCharm is ideally. Okay. Sublime text is also an ideally. Sublime text is also an ideally. So we have a Visual Studio Code also on ideally. Visual Studio Code on ideally. Okay, so these are called ideally. Ideally means integrated development environment. So PyCharm is there, Sublime Text is there, Visual Studio Code is there. A number of softwares are released in the market. PyCharm is coming from the JetBrains. Sublime Text is also there. Visual Studio Code is coming from the Microsoft. Most of the companies are using Visual Studio Code. Why? Because if you go for Visual Studio Code, so go for here Visual, just type Visual Studio Code. So we have a lot of, if you click on the Visual first link only, Visual Studio Code. So we can have a lot of plugins. So we can add a lot of plugins advantage. See Python you can add C, C++, so the debugger you can add. So a lot of activities we can do in case of Visual Studio Code. And whatever I encountered in real time, we are using Visual Studio Code rather than PyCharm. PyCharm is somewhat bit slower for me. So that why our company was using Visual Studio. Okay. Satyanarayana got why we are using a Visual Studio Code. Lot of plugins are available. We can go very fast, and that is why we go for Visual Studio. Okay, it's not hard and rule. Some companies are also using PyCharm also. Okay, so now how to download the Visual Studio Code? Very easy. Go to this link. Go to the Google. Type Visual Studio Code. Download. In the download option, we can have a Windows, Mac, or Linux, Debian, Red Hat. Okay, so but our operating system is Windows, so it's going to work on Windows 8, 10, 11. So I'm just clicking here. So this is a Visual Studio Code. exe file is downloading. Left side. So I'm going to open the folder, show in folder. How to download Visual Studio Code? Go to Google, type Visual Studio Code, first link, and go for download. Okay, so this is a download exe file, show in folder. So this is a Visual Studio Code or setup, and I'm double clicking here. I accept the agreement. So no need to change the path. Just click on the next. Already exists. Would you like to install the folder anyway? Yes. I go for the next, and I click on the next and install. That's all. So this is a Visual Studio Code is launching. Finished just. So this is a Visual Studio Code. Okay, this is a Visual Studio Code. So if you knew, if you are adding, so you get like welcome screen, but I already it is in the cache memory, so it's coming like this. Okay, now what you need to, this is what Visual Studio Code. So if you want to add any extensions, we can go to add any extensions we want. Okay, live server. If you're learning HTML and all, we can add a live server. We can run our HTML files and all. We can plug into Python code everything. So right now I'm not touching that one. Already I installed that Python plugin. Okay, live server also I plugged in. So once your Visual Studio Code is ready, once your Visual Studio Code is ready, then how to install your, how to run our Django project is the question. Okay, so today what I'm going to do, I will create on Django project, and what are the files are available, everything we are going to see. Freshly I am creating a one Django project. Okay, so here my desktop is very clean and neat. So what I do, I create a one folder for you in the desktop. So all the projects I'm going to show in the desktop for your easiness. But in reality, we can keep in a D drive or E drive or C drive or whatever the drive you want, we can keep. But for your easiness, today I'm going to work on the desktop. Okay, on the desktop I create one folder. But how to create this folder in the Django we are going to see. Okay, for your easiness only, not okay. Why can't you go for a F drive or D drive? Means yes, you can go, but this is very clear, neat. So that is the reason I'm taking as a desktop for the first project I'm keeping. Okay, so next question: how to create a project in the, how to create a Django project in Visual Studio Code. How to create a Django project in Visual Studio Code. So to create a Django project, what we can do first, we need to create a one folder. Okay, I need to go to the desktop. How to go to the desktop? From here. Okay. Okay. How to go to the desktop means generally what we are going to do, we are going for the command prompt. This is the command prompt what we are using. But what is the advantage of going for Visual Studio Code means we can have a terminal here. We have a terminal. Just click on the new terminal. Okay. Click on the new terminal. We get one new terminal here. I close this file also. Let it be empty. Okay, so this is first, once you install Visual Studio Code, this was it going to look, and I'm going to click on the new terminal. So new terminal is there, C drive user PC, but I want to create a Django project in my desktop. For your easiness, I create. Okay, but where the desktop is there, users to PC, and I need to change the desktop, CD desktop. Okay, so just give the CD desktop. Now I am in the desktop. Okay, I repeat once again. Go to the terminal, click on new terminal, click on new terminal. I need to first go to the desktop from the terminal. How to go to the desktop? CD desktop. If you say desktop, so it went to the desktop. Now from the terminal, your desktop is ready. From the terminal, your desktop is ready. In the desktop, I am going to create one Django project. Okay, but here question comes how to create a Django project. Okay, so what is a project? First of all, what is a project? Starting a project. What is a project? A project is the fundamental unit. A project is a fundamental unit of Django. Fundamental unit of Django. What is a project? Fundamental unit of Django for web application. For web application. Okay, web application. What is a project? A project is the fundamental unit. Okay, fundamental unit for your web application. Okay, but how to create a project? To create a Django project, we need to follow some command. To create a project, we need to follow the command. What is the command we need to follow? The command is Django admin start a project, and we need to give the project name. Very simple. How to create a project? What is a project? A project is a fundamental unit of Django for web application. But how to create a project? To create a project, we need to create a Django admin start project, and you can give the project name. For example, I want to create one bank project. Name of the project is bank project. Okay, so this is called as a project. I want to create not only bank project, you can give any project name you want. Okay, right now I'm giving bank project or bank project you can give, or BNK project also you can give. The name, whatever you can give, the project name is as your wish and will. Okay, so it is not compulsory you need to follow. But this syntax you need to follow up here. Project name is according to your company requirement you can create. Very simple, right? So how to create a Django project? Okay, to create a Django project, we need to type Django admin start project. You can give the project name. For example, I am giving BNK project. Okay, not a problem. Okay, or else you can give the first project, second project, or third project like this. So it's not compulsory the name whatever you are giving. You can give any name you want. Don't give like the start project at all. This start project is once again it's a keyword. Okay, don't give like that. So just give the any name you want. Okay, I'm giving BNK project. That is a project name. Okay, so I'm just giving enter. Okay, and I'm just giving enter. Project is created. Where the project is created, this BNK project in the desktop. In the desktop, project is created. How to go to the desktop? So in the desktop, BNK project just now created. See, just now created 27th, 4th. Okay, just now it is created. This is a project created. Okay. So what? How to create a Django project? How to create a Django project, everyone? Django admin start project, and you can give the project name. What is the project name I have given? Bank project. Okay, so this is the project name I have given. So once the bank project is created, one folder is created in the desktop because I created the bank project in the desktop. What is the name of the project? BNK project, right? BNK project. Okay, so this is a folder. What is this one? It is a folder. It's a folder, right? So this is a folder. So folder is created. So under this folder, one more folder is being created. That name also BNK project. And one more file is created in the BNK project that is called as a manage.py. So two files been created in this one. One is BNK project and another one is manage.py. So two files is been created. So two files is been created inside the BNK project. One is BNK project, same name, BNK project, and one more file is been created that is called as a manage.py. Very simple. So these are folders, these are file. Okay, so in BNK project, one more BNK project is been folder has been created. One manage.py file is been created. This is a file, this is a folder. Let me go inside. In the BNK project, two more folders are created. That name is BNK project and manage.py. Let me click on this one. Let me click on this one in the desktop. In the desktop, I'm just clicking this one. You could see the two folders, two files. One is a folder, BNK project is a folder. One more is a manage.py. Okay. One more is what? Manage.py. So two folders has been created. So come on, tell me what happens once you give the project name, what is happening? Very important. Come on. So I want your interaction. Otherwise, Django is difficult. I want your interaction. Please tell me what happened once you created the Django project. What is happening? Venkat, what happened? Tushar, Srikanth, Satyanarayana. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So very simple, right? So once you create a project, what happened inside the one more folder is created as a bank project. One file has came automatically. Is it understandable?
Yes.
Everyone, Srikanth, Satyanarayana, because this is starting stage. Okay, so we are going for practical and clear cut. Okay, yeah, Tushar, Srikanth, Satyanarayana, Venkat.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very simple, right? How to create a Django project. But here question comes, sir, why the two names are given? Very good, very good. Okay. So why the two names are given? Okay. So actually, Django people is given this is main project and this is application wise they are given. Okay. In this one more file is came. One more file is came. Where it is came in the desktop. Okay. So I click here. Okay. Now there are two files are there. One is a folder. One is a manage.py. So first I'll go inside, then I'll come for what is a manage.py. Okay, I go for once again clicking on this folder. Okay, once again 1, 2, 3, 4 files are created. What are the files it is created? 4 files are created inside that folder. Automatically this has been created. Okay, what are the 4 files it has been created? Let me type here. First one is underscore init underscore dot py. Next one asgi.py file. Next one settings.py file, wsga.py file, urls.py file. Okay, these are the 5 files are created here. In this project, BNK project, automatically this project structure has been created. How many files are created means 5 files. One is underscore init underscore dot py asgi settings.py, wsg.py, and urls.py. 5 files have been created. Just I have written only one statement. What is the statement I have given? Django admin start bank project. Okay. So first, let me show you once again for your easiness. I am going to delete this project. I am coming back here. I am going to delete it. You tell me what are the files been created, because more if you understand this project structure, upcoming classes becomes very easy. That is the reason. Okay, so I'm deleting. Okay, and now recycle bin also deleted. Clear the screen. Okay, refresh. Okay, first part I need to go to the Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code, go to the terminal. Go to the terminal. I went for new terminal for your easiness first. Okay, second time. Now tell me what I need to create on project. Anyone? How to create a project? How to create a project?
Yeah, first line DJANGO admin start project.
Project and you can give the project name. Okay, come on. Yeah, DJANGO admin
project
start give the project name, whatever the project name you want. Project one. Proj one. Okay, it's not compulsory, you can go for any name, but it is your vision. So I'm giving enter. Proj one is created, right? So once Proj one is created, tell me what is the folder structure it has been created. What is the command you are given here? Django admin start project. What is the name of the project? Proj one. Okay, so how many folders is been created? First one folder, right? What is the folder name first? Proj one. Folder name? Proj one. Super. In the Proj one folder, how many files will be there?
6 files.
2 files. No, 2 files basically in this one. Proj one. Okay. First one is what? Proj one only. Second one is what? Manage dot. Am I right or not? Am I right or not?
Yes.
Yeah. In the Proj one, how many files are there? Try now. Right. Underscore init underscore dot py. ASJ dot py. Settings dot py. WSGI dot py. Next one is URLs dot py. How many files will be created? 5 files. These are automatically created or I created. I just given only one statement. Remaining statements are given by, remaining files are given by Django. This folder structure you need to understand very clear. Understanding? Please raise the chat box so that I can go. Tell me the chat box. Yes, super. Okay. Now what is this underscore init file? Okay, so basically any folder, so it indicates it is empty file right now. I go into that. I go here only. I go D drive, desktop, right? I go to the desktop. What is the project name I created just now?
Proj one.
Oh, sorry, I not created in the project in the desktop. I created in the user. So I just go here. CD desktop. Okay, I create once again. Django admin start project. Proj one. Django admin start project. Okay, start project. Okay. Now the Proj one is ready, and I'm clicking here. Proj one folder and manage that some file is came. And once you click on the Proj one, there are 5 files are available. Underscore init, ASJ, settings, URLs, WSJ. Okay. So this underscore init in Python, we know this is a constructor, right? In Python, it's a constructor. Okay, this is a Python file. It have 0 KB. It is a empty file. No need to touch this file. What it indicates means this Proj one is a folder. It's going to say Proj one is a folder or a package. Whenever this Proj one is a folder or a package, automatically underscore init bin is given. Okay, but right now we are not touching this one. Okay, second one. Any questions on underscore init? Come on. So underscore init.
Can we
Underscore
write
underscore.
anything in that file, like comments or anything?
Right now we are not writing. Suppose when you are going for models.py, if you are unable to connect from the databases, that time only we are using that constructor. Right now we are not touching that file. So it tells that one, it is a package, empty package. Okay. Package, you know, right? Package is nothing but a folder. So what it is saying, proj1,
Yeah.
proj1, proj1, proj1 is a folder. It is indicating this file. Okay, this file is telling that one. Okay, this proj1 is a folder. That's all. Right now it's empty. Okay. Okay. What is the next one? We are going for ASGA and WSGA. ASGA and WSGA before going. Okay, ASGA and WSGA stands for first one. ASGA. ASGA.py. So ASGA means asynchronous, asynchronous, asynchronous server gateway interface. ASGA means asynchronous server gateway interface. So generally, after our development process is completed, we will move to the production and hosting. So whenever for hosting, we will use ASGA. Okay, whenever we are going for hosting, okay, hosting or deployment, okay, in the production environment, we are going to use ASGA. We are going to ASGA. ASGA means asynchronous server gateway interface. According to our requirement, we are going to choose this file. Right now, we are not doing any changes in this file. Okay, just we are using that file when we are going for deployment of the project. Okay, right now I'm not touching and we are not touching this file. Is it okay? ASGA. Okay. Next one is very important file, settings.py. Settings.py is a very important file. This file, what we can do means this, in this file we can add applications. We can add applications. Okay, all in the settings.py we can add a new application. How to add application in Django? We are going to see. If you add an application, we need to choose the settings.py and our database information and database configurations we can do, like yesterday I was discussing when I want to configure MySQL. So that time I need to choose settings.py. So sometimes I need to go for add static folders. Okay, I want to add some media folders, something I want to add some templates. Well, those activities we can do in the settings.py. If you don't know settings.py, you don't know Django. So main file in Django is settings.py. Okay. So how to use this one? We are going to see everything. Don't worry. Right now I'm telling the brief introduction about what is the files. Okay. First file is what? Underscore init py. Second file is asga.py. Asga means asynchronous server gateway interface. It is used whenever you are deploying the project inside the development production server. Okay. Next one is settings.py. It's very important file. Without this file, we cannot do anything in the Django projects. Okay. If you want to add application, if you are going for some middleware applications also, if you want to add middleware applications if you want to add. Okay, so a lot of settings we can do in case of settings.py. Settings.py is the uh, main file, I can say. Without this one, it will not work out anything. Okay. Next one, urls.py. urls.py. What is the urls.py? urls.py. URL means uniform resource locator. URL means uniform uniform resource locator. What is the purpose of this file is it is it is going to provide some address of the resources, like if you want to display image or if you want to display any page. So this is making the one entry point to the browser. Okay, for example, yeah. So in the urls.py, as a browser sending a request, first it has to come to the urls.py, then only our control is going to the views.py. Okay, what is the views.py? Don't worry, we'll discuss. So what is the urls.py means? It is the entry point for the request. Okay, so first whenever we are giving the request, the entry point first coming into the urls.py. From there onwards, the request is going to the views.py. What is the views.py? We are going to understand upcoming classes. Don't worry. So urls.py is the one it is used for the endpoint for the website. Next one, we are going for WSGA. WSGA is a web server. Web server gateway interface. See, this web server gateway interface has also been used whenever we are develop the project and we are moving to the production. Whenever you are hosting, there are two options are there. You can choose the web server gateway interface based on your server requirement, or you can choose the ASDA.py file. Okay. So this is just a description. We are not going inside detail, but main file what we are going is a settings.py. I'll show you how to add some application, everything. This is what we are going to understand. So totally how many files are there? 5 files are there. One is init.py. It indicates package or a folder. ASGAPI, settings.py, urls.py, ws.py. Any questions on this one? Any questions? Tell me in the chat box. Are you following what I'm saying? Srikanth, Tushar, Venkat, are you following what I'm saying? Yeah, this is very, very important to understand, sir. Okay, super. So how many files are being there means 5 files. One is underscore. Yeah, thank you. ASGA settings.py, WSGA urls.py. Okay, now this is a files created. After files are created, now what you need to do? Yeah, I'm coming back to the manage.py. I'm coming to the manage.py. This is a very, very important file. Okay, so I'm coming back once again. Manage.py means I'm coming back here. So here one more file is there that is called as a manage.py. Come on. So we understood these files. We understood these files. Now we are going to understand manage.py. So basically this is used in the command line. This is being used in the command line. Manage.py is in the command line for debugging, or if you want to run application, if you are deploying any applications, we are going to use manage.py. Okay. So what I'm going to say, so one more file is there that is called as a manage.py. So this is a command line utility. This is a command line utility. So by using this command line utility of the manage.py, what we can do, we can deploying application. We can deploying, dep, deploy, deploying, debugging, and running our web application. If we want to run any our web application, we need to definitely use this one. Okay, so what this one is contains means this contains some run server. This contains manage.py contains some run server. Okay, run server. This contains run server. So this contains make migrations. We'll see this one upcoming classes. Make migrations. This one contains the migrator. So like this it contains. But most of the times we are using for run the server, make migration, migrator. For what is the main purpose of manage.py means for running the server, deploying, debugging and running. Okay, so this is one of the file we need to understand. Clear? Okay, so we understood the project one folder. Project one folder is came and manage.py. What is this one? This is a command line utility. By using this command line utility, we can run a application, we can deploy application, we can debug application. It contains run server, make migration, migrate like this. And we understood what are the 5 files. Okay, overall we understood this concept. Now all files, all the structure is ready now. But now one more thing what we need to do, we need to run the server. We need to run the server. To run the server, we need to use the manage.py. So by using the manage.py, we can run the server. Why we need to run the server means once the server is ready, we can deploy our application. Okay, so here development server is available for us. Development server is available. How to run the development server means by using manage.py, and second parameter I need to pass as a run server. Okay, so manage.py is a file. Okay, this is a command line utility. By using the command line utility, I need to give the second, I need to pass as a argument called run server. So when you give manage.py with run server, a development server is been ready. Okay, once the development server is ready, then we can send a request. We can send a request to the server. We can send a request to the server. So we can send a request to the server. What is the request we can send means http 127.0.01 and colon 8000 is the port. Default port is available. We can send a request to the development server. Okay, how to send a request by using this one. Through the browser when you send. Okay, once your project is ready, we're going to see how the project is ready in the Django by using this one. Okay, so let me run the server. How to run the server means I'm going to show you. How to run the server means there is a one more syntax is there. So python.manage.py run server we need to type. So it's going to run the development server. Once the server is ready, we can give the request. What is the request we can give? So this is the request I can give. After request giving, so what is the output we are getting in the page we are going to see. Okay. How to run the server? How to run the server? You need to go for here. So the server manage by using manage.py, I need to run the server. So the folder is proj1. You need to change the directory proj1. In the proj1, I am going to just type the dir. Dir indicates files. Okay, so how many files are there? 2 files are there. One is proj1 and manage.py. By using manage.py, I need to run the server. Okay, how to run the server? What is the syntax? Python manage.py run the server. Okay, how to run the server? Python manage.py run server. So see, by using this command line utility of the file, we are running the server. Before that one, we need to give Python. Okay, Python manage.py run server. So just I am going to run. So the server is ready. So we are going to see some migrations and all. Don't worry, upcoming classes. So here starting the development server. Starting the development server at the request like HTTP 1.7.0.01 8000 is a port. Okay. So what we can do, we can double click here, or otherwise you can copy this one, and you can go to the any browser you want to go. So I'm going for the Chrome browser only. Okay, take that copy and okay, paste here. Okay, you can take any browser. Okay, you can take Chrome or Edge, or you can go to the Mozilla. Just to copy paste this. Okay, this one. After copy paste, just give the enter. So if you are give the enter, once you see the screen, yes, the install worked successfully. So jet is going upwards. So we get it, the Django documentation, Django polling app also there, community is there. So if this screen is coming like this, means one part we are successfully understood how to run a Django project. Okay, how to run a Django project. Clear? So I repeat once again for you. Clear this point? Up to this point is clear? Then I will show once again for you. Hello? So once this jet is ready, means we are successfully done first step. Okay. How to
Sir,
run
that
server and how to.
Sir,
Yeah.
that server is the inbuilt server, or the server is being created by ourselves, sir?
No, inbuilt server. Just we need to start the server.
Server already created by whom, sir? I mean,
Django.
DJANGO.
Yeah, yes. We need to start the server. How to start the server? Python manage.py run server.
No, that okay, sir. We can start the server by run server, but I am
Yes.
asking about the server 120 dot
Default
something
our
is there,
server
na?
is available. Yeah.
Server is available in Python project.
No, Django. That is, yeah, in the Django. Django is giving our server. That framework.
Django server.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Shall I
Okay, sir.
quit? Yeah. So how to stop the server? Just Control C. We can quit the server. Okay. So now I'll once again I want you to interact. I'll delete this folder. Okay. Tell me once again from your end. So that one first day we are. I mean practically everything I'm going daily like this. Practical only. Once or twice I'm going to repeat for you every class so that you get a clarity. Because Django is a very tough subject. I make you very easy. Okay. So just now go for practicals. What are the steps we need to follow? Come on. Steps, sir. Come on, steps. I close this one. Okay, steps. Tell me what are the steps I shown you.
DJANGO admin
First,
start project.
okay, Django admin start project. Okay, give the project name. Project
Yep.
2.
Yes.
Yeah. Afterwards, we know what is the internal it's happening. It's going to create a folder. Inside a folder, one folder, one file is created. Come on, and one folder,
Yeah.
and that folder, 5 files are there. We are clear about
Project
it.
2
Yes.
and manage.
Yes, manage.py. Very good. Okay, what is the next step? CD project 2. Why I need to go here?
To enter into the project.
Correct. Afterwards, what I need to do? Python manage.py run server.
Run server, correct.
After running the server, what I need to take? Go to the browser. Give the request like http 127.0.01:8000. That's all. Any questions here? No, right?
No, sir.
Yeah, just once again we try. Come on, give me the solution. I'm going to clear new terminal.
New terminal.
Okay. CD desktop I go always, because for your easiness I go for desktop. Come on, desktop there is no project right now. How to create a project?
DJANGO admin start
a
project.
Okay, this is a project
2.
Okay. Then you need to change your project
Directory.
Okay. Then what you need to do? Python manage.py run server. Server is ready. Take the request, copy it. Otherwise, you can click on this. Okay. Go to the. You can also go to the Mozilla. Okay, it is not compulsory. You need to go to the Chrome. Copy and paste. And run it. Enter. If jet is coming means yes, we are successfully. We got yes. So this is what how to run the Django project. Are you understanding, everyone? So daily like this one only, we are going for each and every day, daily we are going to start on project. How to tomorrow next class we are going to create one application. Okay, daily we are going for practical way. If you don't understand, you can ask. I'm going to show you some real-time project, e-commerce project, Satyanarayan, and hands-on also. Okay. So daily like this one only, I'll interact to you because whenever we are interacting only we get a clarity. So where we are stucking or what. No, Satyanarayana, I'm not showing a deployment. Because hands on the project, it will take some time, no? So that is the reason. Deployment is very easy. Deployment is just we are using some AJ or you can use a Heroku. You can deploy it from the GitHub. So please, Srikanth, it will take 40 days, 45 days it will take. Okay. But one day itself, we are going for daily interaction will be there. Please, interaction will be there daily and wherever, yeah, thank you, Satya. Daily interaction will be there. Practically, I'm showing you each and every point. So I make you once or twice so you get a very clear picture on Django. Otherwise, Django is very difficult here. I make you
No,
introduction.
my question is like whether it is from Monday to Saturday or are we going to give?
Monday to Friday.
Okay, okay,
Saturday you can enjoy.
okay.
Okay, Satyanarayana is asking. I didn't see. Okay, thank you, Satyanarayana. Okay, please register this course. Okay, so we go practicals. Okay, register the course. Daily we'll have interaction. Don't worry about the project. I'll give project also. I make you strong in Django. Okay, but make sure that one. Yesterday is Venkat. HTML, CSS part, please learn. Okay, otherwise, got difficult.
I'm learning, sir. I'm learning, sir.
Yeah, you are learning, and then we'll fit for the job. All the concepts
I'm
I'm making
learning.
very easy. I'll always go practicals and ask you interaction. So you need to tell that one. Means what happens like this, what happens like this, like that. Okay, daily classes will be like this.
Sir, that installation, can you repeat one more time, sir? That Python installation from command prompt.
Python or Django?
Python, sir. Python you have installed from
Python.
command prompt, right?
No, Django I installed from
How to
command
install? Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That one.
Yeah. So just to see if you want uninstall, pip uninstall Django. Okay.
What is that PIP, sir?
PIP is the pip. Pip is the application. Whenever you are installing Python software, no. Whenever you are installing Python software, that time automatically this application is inbuilt is coming. Okay. You know how to install
Okay.
Python
For
software?
any software, can I use PIP, sir? For any software
Yeah,
to install
definitely.
any software.
Yes, that is the way PIP is there.
Okay. PIP install that application name.
Yes, correct. Suppose we want to install MySQL model. Okay, you can just go pip install MySQL. Suppose you want to install Py2, means YouTube for the Python. Suppose Py2 model. Okay, just pip install. That's all. This is going for YouTube. PyTube is one is there. Suppose you want to use YouTube. Okay, you can install PyTube. How to install PyTube? Pip install PyTube. That's all.
If I want to install MS Office, sir, then I can I use PIP?
No, that's what. PAP, it will not install all this one. That should be a Python model.
Python model.
Yes, model, not model, model. Python libraries we call.
Libraries. Oh.
Yes.
Achha, what is the
Like
full form of PIP, sir?
PAP full form.
Actually, I'm just asking. I'm new to this.
Yeah. See, whenever you are doing the installation of the Python, okay, PAP option is ticked. Okay, ticked.
Okay.
So PAP full form. I don't know that full form actually. Pip install packages actually. This is acronym PAP. Pip install package. PAP means pip install package. Okay. See, that's
for
how
all libraries we can install directly.
Yes, see, I'm installing yeah, but that should be a Python
module.
See, Py2, I just went to just now I went to the Google, right? So from Py2 import. So it's Python, right? In the Python, no, this import statement and all.
Correct, sir. Correct. I know, sir.
Yeah, in that one, see, we are taking that model. How to install that model? PAP install model. Okay, I ask one question. How do you connect from Python to MySQL? Are you connected
No.
Python to MySQL?
No, sir. No idea, sir.
So in that one, you'll understand how to install the package for the MySQL. First, we need to install package for MySQL. Then from Python, we can connect to the MySQL.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, understand that?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes,
See,
sir.
MySQL is a database. Python is a software, right? Python is a software. Python
Programming
is different
language.
person. MySQL is a different person. How to
Correct,
connect? With the model, PySQL model. A model will be available by pip install model. Then only we can connect.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you are working as actually.
I'm a deputy manager in BSNL, sir. I'm working in Bangalore.
Okay. Then this is new to you.
Yes, sir. I'm learning, sir. Actually.
Okay. Where in Bangalore?
Near to Chikbalapura, sir. It is a rural of Bangalore.
You are Kannadiga?
No, sir. I'm from Andhra, sir.
Okay. Okay. I am also from Bangalore.
Bangalore, but I'm not particular in Bangalore, sir. It is 50 kilometers away from Bangalore.
I know Chikbalapura. I know Chikbalapura.
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
I know. Okay, just if you are new to this one, just practice it. But you must master in Python first.
Yes, sir. Python core and advanced OOPS concept up to OOPS concept I have done, and I'm learning HTML and CSS as early as possible. I will finish it, sir. Within 1 week, I will finish it. Before covering the basics,
yes.
I will finish it, sir. CSS and HTML.
So sure. Then only Django will become very easy. And see, we are making easy way. Otherwise, it is tough. Actually.
Yes, sir. Actually, I understand, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we'll meet tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.